6 Unique Bulking Snacks for Skinny Guys. Building muscle as a skinny guy can feel like an uphill battle. You hit the gym hard, but the weight gain just isn't happening. Well, stay tuned, fellow hard gainers. This video is all about strategic snacking to support your muscle building journey. We're ditching the empty calories and focusing on power-packed snacks that will fuel your gains, not your frustrations. Let's get snacking. Here are some super muscle building options you can easily find at your grocery store. Edamame with chili lime. Edamame is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Spice it up with chili flakes and lime juice for a flavor explosion. Jerky and cheese roll. Beef jerky offers a concentrated dose of protein, while cheese adds calcium and healthy fats. Roll them up for a convenient and satisfying snack. Sardines on whole wheat crackers. Don't be afraid of sardines. These tiny fish are packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamin D, essential for muscle function. Pair them with whole wheat crackers for a complete bite. Homemade energy bites. Combine rolled oats, nut butter, protein powder, dried fruit, and dark chocolate chips for a customizable and energy-packed snack. Sweet potato fries with hummus. Sweet potatoes offer complex carbs and healthy fats, while hummus provides protein and fiber. Bake sweet potato fries and dip them in hummus for a delicious and nutritious snack. Cottage cheese pancakes with berries. Blend cottage cheese, oats, and an egg for protein-rich pancakes. Top with berries for a sweet and satisfying snack. Bonus tip: beef or chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Whip up a quick stir-fry using lean beef or chicken, vegetables like broccoli and peppers, and a low-sodium soy sauce. Serve over brown rice for a complete and muscle-building meal prep snack. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 healthy snacks throughout the day in addition to your regular meals to create a calorie surplus for muscle growth.